from Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are here this morning to try and get in the whole Pandora avatar thing. Here a little bit early.
When he's facing the rear of the tram, guys.
What on there? So we're off the tram. We're just about to go through security and then we're going to try and head to Pandora. So the Flight of Passage ride in Pandora is already at a 3-hour wait. We've done the wrong thing by coming to the park on a morning when it's extra magic hours. It looks like we might not be getting on that because neither will want to really wait for that long. Do you want to go and have a look around Pandora now, or do you want to just skip it till later on, let the first crowds get out of it?
Alright, do that.
Go the complete opposite way then. Heading to It's Tough to Be a Bug. We actually cancelled our early fast pass for Everest in the hopes that we would get somewhere near Avatar, but it doesn't look that way, so we haven't got Everest till later on now. I'm actually quite looking forward to seeing the Nemo show. I like the Nemo show. I'm sure we're not get a fast pass for that.
Yeah.
I think we did, didn't we? And we've got the Lion King show as well. Ooh, it's all about the shade. All about the shade. So just telling Chris there that the structure of the tree for this is actually an oil rig underneath. Monkey, monkey, monkey. 2 monkeys. Let's go along there. So that's Tough to Be a Bug done. Don't know where we're heading now. Chris got a bit of a shock when all the bugs left the theatre at the end, didn't he? Said it felt nice on his bum. Let's head to Dino Land USA and just work our way around. Although we wanted to see what time the Lion King show was on, didn't we? Right, let's have a look. Let's see what time that's on. We've decided we're going to go and see the Lion King show at 10. So we're going to go and have a wander there. There's Coke, that drinks and refreshments and that there, so I don't know if I'll have coffee. If you want to look. Oh, those fans are blowing mist. So nice.
Here's some snorting. 1, 2, 3.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Ain't no worries for the rest of your days. It's alcohol-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. It's a
So we are out of the Festival of the Lion King. Got another fast pass, I think, for the Nemo show at 11:30. So we're just kind of kicking around till then. Don't know what the queue for Everest is or anything like that yet. Right, we are taking a slow wander over to where Nemo is. Maybe just have a look around a couple of places on the way, taking some of the sights and sounds of Asia. So I'm just saying, Chris, Primeval World really does jerk you about quite a bit. Hello, Dumpy. What's that one? Tall one?
Yeah. Legs either end.
So there's technical difficulties with the Nemo show, so it's put about 15 minutes behind. So we're off for another little bit of a wander around the front of the park just to waste another 15-20 minutes or so before we head back and get in the queue, because we don't want to be in the queue for like 45 minutes, especially when we've got a fast pass. So we're just going to go have a little bit browse, do a little bit look around, enjoy some sun for a bit. Finding Nemo, good as always, absolutely brilliant show. I think I prefer that one to Lion King. So we're thinking it might be dinner time, since it's like what, 20 to 1 did you say?
5 to 1.
5 to 1. We've got a fast pass at 2. And when is it 2 or 2:30? Can't remember. Around that time though. That's the queue for the next Nemo show going in. You do me now. No, you do my back. Decided that we are gonna go to Pandora and have a look what food options are there. Got a feeling that might be one of the busiest bits of the park. We'll go and have a look because we've got a fast pass over there for the river journey anyway. I'm not sure what the wait is on the other ride, because it was 3 hours this morning, then it went up to 4 hours. Oh, it's dropped to what? 160 minutes, just under 3 hours. Look, Chris, it says we'll have to enjoy their beautiful restrooms.
Clean.
So I don't ever remember coming over this bit unless it's new. This is like a walkway which is going to take us to Pandora. I think that's the other bridge into Pandora there. I don't know if these trees are specifically put up here to hide the floating mountains so you can't see them before you get in or what, I don't know. Here we go. No, I don't know where anything is in here. So we are walking underneath the mountains. So is that thingy one? 150 minutes. It's crazy that like I couldn't even fast pass plus for that at any point. Even like 30 days out. Because I think if you stayed at Disney you can book them like 90 days out. All the fast passes were gone. Let's get a photo in front of the water fountain thing. Right, so we've just scanned our fast pass in and we are heading into the Navi River journey. They have sex with their tails! Tail sex! If anybody's seen this year's Bill and Ted show, they'll get that. So this ride right now is a 90-minute wait. Charmin at the end's meant to be quite impressive, like.
My son, no kind
Oh, the mouth's not working today. So we've had a look at the merchandise in Pandora and we're just like, nah, nothing I would really buy in here. Maybe for kids a little bit.
Right here.
Yeah, you can buy tails. And then we've just been on the Navi River journey and we thought that was just meh as well. We're glad we didn't wait the 90 minutes for it, put it that way. We've heard the other ride is better, but it's still like a 3-hour wait at the minute, so definitely not waiting for that. I don't think we'll end up on that because I don't think the wait times would drop. But we're going to pop back later anyway when it's a bit quieter. I think you rub the red bits. Rub its innards, Chris, and see if it spits. Yeah, it's rumbling a bit. It's coming out the top a little bit. Keep going, rub its belly. It's getting a bit bigger.
No.
Yeah?
No.
It did? Yeah? So that's it, heading out of Avatar. Yeah, not as big as I thought that area would be. I think I just thought when I seen the size of the rocks last time, when it was all being built, that it would be bigger than what it was, but... Right, I think we're going to go maybe do like a safari or something like that, and then come back and check out what it looks like when it's all lit up later on. I'm so sweaty, oh so sweaty. That's kinda loud, that art's because they're on. Out of Safari, we're going to have a little walk on the, was it Gorilla Falls walking trail? Chris is just checking the wait times for the Avatar stuff here.
120 minutes.
120, so it's dropped to 2 hours then.
The river journey's at 130.
Rivers went up to 130. That river journey is not worth waiting like 2 hours 10 for.
The monkeys, hopeless monkeys don't bother him. He eats all those scraps all day, and he doesn't bother them. Pretty amazing, right? I wish people could get along like that. Right, yeah. That'd be awesome.
So pequenininho que tá virado pra cá.
So we are heading over for our fast pass for Expedition Everest. That's at 5 to 6. What were we doing after that again?
I went around trying to get fast pass for the light show thing.
Oh yeah, after we'll use this fast pass, we're going to see if there was any fast passes for Rivers of Light.
We need to get them stuffed toys as
So
well, don't we?
yeah, got a couple of bits to buy, and also we need to go and have a look at Pandora at night as well.
Aye.
See all the bioluminescent stuff and things like that. So
See if there's any better.
yeah, see if it looks totally different or not. So for now, let's go to the mountain and do our fast pass. Chris needs to go to the ladies. So I've never seen Rivers of Light before, so hoping to catch a show. It was supposed to rain, but it's held off and it doesn't look like rain, although it could roll in quick. We are in the line for Everest. This is your first ride on, isn't it?
Aye, first one.
So I've never told him anything about the ride. So we'll see what happens when he comes off. See if he liked it. Are you excited? Ooh. Doesn't know what he's let himself in for. You were now, weren't you? Get a thumbs up to that. So we were literally here about 15-20 minutes ago and it was 45 minutes. Hi. Now it's dropped from 45 to 15. Hi. So let's hope it is only 15 and it doesn't jump back up.
Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino. I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
We made it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would.
So Primeval World's only a 10-minute wait. We're going to have a go on this. Already warned Chris, it's rough.
Duffy standard.
Huh?
Duffy standard.
Yeah, we've got a Duffy and a Tigger in Chris's backpack. Right. Thanks. Enjoy the queue ride. So we're off Primeval World now. We're heading over to Pandora just to see what it looks like in the dark and see if it's any different to through the day when it was on. Chris, kind of like Primeval World, didn't you?
Did I do it right? Out like that?
Legs being thrown around a bit. Wasn't as rough as I remember, but then again there might be less room between me and Chris than me and Nathan. So maybe because we're a bit of a snug fit in there together.
It's like our hotel room. I don't know, we've not meant to tell them that. Shh. Sorry.
Right, let's head over to Pandora, see what it looks like at night. So we've been and seen Pandora. We've just caught the light show on the tree where the animals kind of come alive and there's a little show with the birds and stuff. I think we're going to jump in a queue for Rivers of Light, see what that's like, because I've never seen that before either, so this will be a first for me. Wasn't on the last time I was there. I think last time we were here it was the Jungle Book one, which wasn't meant to be very good, so we didn't really bother actually going to see it.
In the night sky, creating rivers
goodbye from Animal Kingdom for the night. We are off home. Rivers of Light was a good show. Not bad at all. At least it gives Animal Kingdom something on a night time. So obviously the fireworks would disturb all the animals, etc. Ooh, it's gone all dark. Just like Chris's soul.
13 hours in the park.
13, yeah, about 12, 13 hours in the park. And so that's it anyway. Good night. We will see you tomorrow. I think we might do a bit of Hollywood Studios. So we will see you then. Good night. So Chris has been debating on this cap for a while and literally walking out of Animal Kingdom. He's found it. His Monsters University cap with MU1. So he's getting himself that. That was lucky, wasn't it? Right, we are definitely off now, so we will see you tomorrow.